Hi and welcome to my channel and my new video. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you. Today we have a Casio Protrek Mount Manaslu PRX-8000 in this beautiful box. And if you are wondering what and where it is, it's the 8th highest mountain in the world at 8,163 meters above sea level. It's in the Mansiri Himal, part of the Nepalese Himalayas, in the west-central part of Nepal. The name Manaslu means mountain of the spirit and is derived from the Sanskrit word manasa, meaning intellect or soul. The PRX-8000 was designed with the help of professional mountain climber Hirotaka Takeuchi, the first Japanese climber to climb the world's 14 highest peaks, and is designed for climbing summit like Manaslu mountain, which is 8,000 meters above the sea level. So I have the cool watch in my hands, no doubt about it. It has all the bells and whistles like compass, altimeter, barometer, temperature readout, multi-band 6 time signal correction, recall mode, and all other standard Casio features. It is a titanium model, so it does not weigh a lot, but it is a big watch measuring almost 60 millimeters in diameter. This model comes with red colored details, and details include red second hand, red marker at mode subdial, and a red ring on the outer bezel, which is excellent looking by itself. The buttons are flush with the watch case, especially the illumination button, which is concealed excellently. Speaking of illumination, here is the lume shot of this watch, which features a single LED at 6 o'clock and backlight for digital subdial also at 6 o'clock. The watch is operated using a screw-down crown, which ensures water tightness of 100 meters. This watch is solar powered, which is a great thing for power-hungry options. It also comes with power-saving modes and battery level warning if it comes to low power. But with all that comes a hefty price with $1,050 US. Now let's run to the modes of the watch and watch face indicators. What are the watch face indicators? First, let me move the hands out of the way, and that's another cool function of this watch. By pressing the illumination and then mode button, I'm moving the hands out of the way. So basically those screen indicators are indicated on this digital subdial, and those are the indicators above this analog mode hand over here, which is used to, show the temperature, barometric pressure, recall, stopwatch, timer, alarm, and the world time mode. So once again, let me get the hands out of the way. And on this subdial over here, first in a row of indicators is the ALM, appears when an alarm is turned on. Number 2 is the signal, and it appears when the hourly time signal is on. Number 3 appears when the indicated time is the summer time mode over here. The picture on the right is maybe the best indicator for you. Number 4 is the barometric or baro, appears when the barometric pressure change indications are on. And number 5, depending on your measurement units, shows the barometric pressure measurement unit. What are the modes of this watch? Navigating through modes of the watch is done by pressing the mode button for the modes indicated over here. So when I'm pressing the mode button, I'm shuffling between the barometric pressure readout, the temperature readout, currently in Celsius, but it can be switched, recall mode, stopwatch mode, countdown timer, alarm mode, world time mode, auto receive or the signal reception, and higher pitch of the sound gets us back to the standard timekeeping mode. To activate the altimeter mode, simply press the lower right button and you will have the altimeter readout. Again, pressing it resets the value, and again making it a readout. Pressing the mode button gets us back to the standard timekeeping mode. Pressing the upper right button gets us to the compass mode, and you will have the over here is the bearing, and these are the degrees. So rotating your watch will show the north. Pressing the mode button gets us back to the standard timekeeping mode. Pressing the upper left button changes the display over here, so you have your barometric pressure and the date. Pressing it again gets us back to the digital time representation, and pressing it again gets us back to the day described in English, and also a date format which includes a day of the week, a numerical, and month value. That would be all regarding this watch review. You can check out my watch settings tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are watch related content, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you.